Hey everybody, Dr. Justin Charland here from Pro Physical Therapy. We're on location again at the golf course today. We're gonna look at a good stretch that you can work on shoulder mobility after your round. Don't wanna do this one before your round because it's a longer static stretch, so it may actually inhibit your muscles a little bit more. So definitely to do after your round to work on that mobility that you've gained during your round. Let's take a look and see what it is.
To begin the shoulder mobility drill, place one arm on a surface just higher than shoulder height, like a wall or in this case a golf cart. Then step back into a staggered stance position and lean your trunk forward. While performing this motion, bring the opposite hand to the bottom outside of your shoulder blade and press in. This will block that shoulder blade from rotating up too far, creating a more optimal stretch for your shoulder. Hold this position for at least 30 seconds, repeating for a few repetitions. This sustained stretch will help to improve muscle length after your shoulder musculature has been warmed up during a good workout or recreational activity.
Thanks for watching today's Functional Friday video. Continue to follow us for more tips and tricks to move well.